That's so beautiful. I was like, what tree is this? It's a mango. So apparently the mango tree seeds look like this.
The flowers, and then after flower you will seed it.
Waxaas oo dhan mango noqon karaan.
Masha Allah, u fiirso geedkani waa ku soo noqon doontaa loaded with fruit.
Masha Allah. Amazing. Mom's still staring. She didn't start driving.
Because waxay yiraahdaan geedka maxaad guriga dabadiisa ugu beertay gurigu dildilaacinaya bal eeg geed camba guriga dabadiisa ka beeran oo inta la eg
oo camba laf Well, our trees are nowhere near that, but we will still hope and dream. It's so funny, we're driving early morning today and I'm just seeing so many men sweeping. I'm like, when did they learn this new skill? Sorry.
Don't put down, guys.
I'm sure there's so many amazing men out there who do house chores, but I'm just shocked to see them on the streets cleaning their stores. I really thought they just hired women to do that. It's better dusty these days. That's why everyone's sweeping. But
what Chile, magaranaysa?
Alhamdulillah.
Chile one dust time.
It's a dusty season actually. We have four seasons, but they are all like rain, wind, dust,
cold.
There you go. Oh, that is a lady sweeping. then. It's just everyday new folk, guys. Every day a new high-rise. This part is pretty old. It's not so new, but if you head down towards Swahili, I mean, what's it called? Safari, then you will see so much new development.
نوعية لنوعية. بياض صح. سيدي دايرة تقول. سيدي ماكينة. My style. Their style is like this stick style. My style is like a half an inch or kalluunku markuu sidaa yahay sidaa loo jarjaro.
Coming soon, you'll see. Today fish is on the menu and green sauce pasta.
Hooyo muusken, Shamis.
We're doing drive-through shopping today. Fish on this side, moose on this side. The not so delicious part of the cooking show.
Oh, shit.
Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it's burning my eyes from here.
Bismillah.
Delicious. Bismillah.
Bismillah.
So this is Mom's green sauce spaghetti. Just used with green tomatoes. That's all the magic is. And our special cactus fruit. Yum. Bismillah. Tried it already?
Yes.
How was it?
Very nice. Yummy.
We were already eating the fish while we were waiting for the pasta to cook, so we know the fish is top.
How is it?
It basically tastes like Alfredo without the Alfredo and the basil and everything. I guess the coriander became basil.
Wow, all the green became basil.
Yes. And spices. Can never forget the banana. The chili flakes are doing something. They're making my eyes water. Allahumma barak. Well, if you guys like that episode, we're gonna finish this up. You can check the playlist. There's more of Mom's cooking episodes there. I know I don't include a lot of ingredients. I'll try my best to do that soon. If you guys want an actual recipe book, let us know. That's a lot of work, but we can try. Inshallah. See you guys. It's all done. All done. Even the drink, nothing left. This is probably a little, what do they call it? Baqaliwah portion. Unless this cat's gonna take it. There's a cat here now. Our seventh member of the house, to be honest.